In this video, we're going to learn how to control an RGB LED with your Arduino, and you're going to need a breadboard, jumper wires, an Arduino, an AV cable, and the RGB LED. In order to get started, go ahead and grab the code that I provided and upload it to your Arduino. Okay, mine says done uploading, so it's time to go ahead and get it wired. I've already spread the legs of my RGB LED out a little bit, but it's important that you notice which leg of your RGB LED is the long leg. That leg is going to either be your cathode or your anode. In my case, it's an anode, so it is going to be the negative or the GND. So what I've done here is I've spread out my legs so that they fit into row 1, 3, 5, and 7 of my breadboard. So they're a little bit spread out and it's a little bit easier for me to get my wires in. And I'm going to start with my black wire and I'm going to plug it into GND on my Arduino. And then I'm going to plug it into where the long leg is, which is row 3 on my breadboard. And then from left to right, my RGB LED goes red, green, blue. So I'm going to wire mine accordingly. So if you look at the code, you'll see that let me pull it up. Red pin is wired to pin number 11. I'm going to use my red jumper wire for that to reduce any confusion. Here it is lighting up red. And then going back to the code, the green pin is going to be on 10 and the blue pin is going to be on 9. So I'm going to take my green jumper wire, plug it into 10 on my Arduino, and line it up with row 5 on my breadboard, which is my green. And then I'm going to take my blue jumper wire and plug it into 9 on my Arduino and line it up with 7 on my breadboard. And now you should be able to see that there are a wide variety of colors that are being illuminated here with your RGB LED. And that is because of the code that I have provided. So in this code, the pins are attached, the pins are coded as outputs, and then there's this function here that says write each pin to be the value that is prescribed. And it also says that red is going to be first, green is going to be second, and blue is going to be third. So in these commands down here where they execute the function, the first number represents red as described in the function. The second number represents green, and the third number represents blue. So when 255 is indicated in the red column, that means that the light is going to be all the way on red. This is going to be all the way on green, and this is going to be all the way on blue. And these are a series of color combinations that are noted here. So you can see that the RGB LED will perform these color combinations just exactly in line with the code. I hope you enjoyed in this video. It was